Hush Haunted Attraction in Westland, Michigan is an entertainment experience. When you enter into the town of Hush Falls. You'll meet the mayor.
I'm your mayor, Reginald Angus, and I'm here to present this year's Harvest Queen, Miss Ripe and Ready.
You'll meet Miss Ripe and Ready. You'll see fire dancers, aerialists, performers of all kinds. And as you check in for your stay at the Hush Falls Hotel, things go terribly wrong. You see, the town is preparing for their annual Harvest Festival, and you might get harvested. For the Haunted Attraction Network, I'm Philip. This is Hush Haunted Attraction.
Welcome, we've been expecting. Come this way. I have this elevator waiting just for you.
You're here. I have a lot of maintenance to get done, and I need your bones.
Yeah!
You dare enter my ancient realm, do you? Do you have any idea who I am? I am Professor Slither, the undead archaeologist, and I have been studying the mummification of this poor soul for far too long. So long that I've contracted a very rare virus, and now I am a creature of the night, and I am your worst nightmare!
Have you seen it? Have you seen it? The Yeti! Don't let him touch you, it burns! It burns! Go to the right. I don't think he's to the right I look, but he could be around any corner. You gotta keep an eye out! Stay alert! Don't let him touch you!
Many souls reside here. Shall you be lucky enough to pass?
For lo!
I say unto thee, hanging from the cross, the Son of the Imbued One said, the only way to conquer death is to die, and die you shall. Death?
Fighter! Give me your teeth! Come on! Come on! Give me your teeth! Come on! Give me them! Give me your teeth! Come on! Please! Please, please, please! Come on! Get out! Get out! Do you need to go to the bathroom? Come on down, live ones! Right this way! Welcome to the Rose Cliff! Just down this way, folks, we're gonna give you a real good time.
Welcome to Rose Cliff. Please be careful of the doctor and the creations. They all run amok and they are quite hungry.
Check it out, Mr. Rosecliff. Look at this one right here. Oh, you look like a prime specimen from
My, equal dearie. Come on now, don't be shy, don't be shy. Goody, 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 a nice little child. Pretty little trophies to add to my collection. What do we think, dearies? In the neck or straight down the middle?
Always room!
Piggies! Come here! Come on, I'm trying to get dinner cooking. I'll treat you like the swine you are. I'll string you up, slit your throat, and bleed you dry. Oh, we have a good laugh if you choke on your own blood.
Is that the rats in my hallway scurrying about?
Come here and see Brutus. Grandma's gonna like you.
Hey! Oh. Where you think you're going, huh? You don't want to hang with me? Today is a lovely day for an execution, huh?
Master, more body parts. We have organ donors.
Mein organ donor, I presume. We can use you to create something new. Just one cut into your stomach and we can find something of use. You're gonna die anyways, but I will bring you back. I swear it, I swear it.